What's happening, my people? So, early morning, Louisiana. Shit, wintertime is showing his head a little bit. It's in the 30s. But anyways, this is a shoe video. Know it's been a little minute since I done dropped some shoes on y'all. And if you enjoy that content on the channel, here's a little something. Happy to bring this to y'all, man. And usually I wait till I'm ready to do this in certain circumstances. I'm dressed up and everything and all that. Man, forget all that. I'm ready to show it. I'm ready to see these things myself. So I'm just unboxing this. So got these off eBay. And this is something I've been wanting forever, but I was waiting to pull the trigger. But hopefully it is, because when you order from something like that, it's always kind of a crapshoot. So you gotta just trust the people, trust the seller and whatever, and see if you get what you're supposed to get. And so getting into it, let's see this right here. Got this box, black box. That right there. Nike. Let's see the info. See the info right here. Hopefully you can see that. So LeBron 10, LeBron X JE Icon QS. Suggested retail 250 bones. That's why I wanted this shoe, but I wasn't getting this shoe. For $250, I paid exactly half. I paid $125 for these. So let's see. So thank you for your order, etc. Got the Nike information on here and stuff. I've been wanting these things for the longest time, man. Here they go. Them LeBron, John Elliot joints. So I've been wanting these, man. Like, I don't know, I've been kind of in love with pink lately and stuff. And all the colors was dropping on these, and man, I was liking the white ones, the black ones. Or they got the tan looking joints and stuff. But these right here dropped. And I was like, man, I need them. I need them. And we're just waiting till the day I can get these. I was even thinking about pulling that $250 trigger, man. I wasn't doing it, but I thought about it for a second. But man, here you go, these John Elliot joints. I try to show a little B-roll and stuff like that, but man, this is the first time I've seen these in person. Man, they got pink all on the upper, but it's like pink and light pink, like a violet, salmon. It's just a bunch of different hues. They got lighter pinks, darker pinks and stuff. Got these flat laces. Got this dark pink on the aglets and stuff. I like how on this midsole, how I got that light pink going around. Got this zoom unit all the way through. Oh, it looks like it's gonna be so comfortable. This zoom unit all the way around. I love that zoom unit. That is dope. These are crazy. These are crazy. There's something else about this shoe, is because it has this clear upper. So whenever you rock them, it gives different looks depending on your socks. Like if you have certain socks on, it will shine through. So with the pink, you don't want to have on all kind of socks. Like you don't want to have like some orange socks on in there. It's kind of like gonna look crazy or whatever. But you have different looks and it give you certain hues going through the shoe, so you can kind of switch the look of the shoe up while you're wearing it. Whenever you look at it from the side, it look crazy. Look like some mosquito netting or something. The only thing about that, I want to feel this material. Feel like the durability or something in this. Like I would hate to like snag this on anything or something. It seemed like it would tear. It seemed like it got like a little nylon-ish to it. But if you snag it on something or whatever, it seemed like it would tear. And I would hate that to happen, but I don't think that will happen. These I will be rocking these casually. Like this is gonna be like more of a dressed up type shoe for me. Like this ain't gonna hit no basketball court or anything. I will be trying to stunt in these. But man, you've seen videos on these. They don't have like, well, they got a few videos on these, but like Jock Slade got a great video with these. Showed the bottom. It looked like they have been worn before, but I ain't tripping because I'm going to wear them as well. Look on the inside. John Elliot, LeBron James. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to use that natural sunlight today. Got that sideways Nike on the tongue. I like those lines, those vertical lines all across the shoe and stuff. I think that is real dope. That is real dope. Those vertical lines it gives it a sleekness, a certain sleekness to it. These are crazy. So I'm gonna do an on feet. I'll probably do that later on, but you'll see it. Whenever I feel like getting dressed up or something, I'm gonna take the camera out and go do the on feet and stuff, man. I'm gonna just end it with the on feet. So man, like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest or the most hated, man. I let your boy. Yeah. Peace out. And I said I was finishing this video off earlier, but I just want to let y'all know about like the sizing and stuff, man. You can go probably half size down. Like they fit a little like big. They are very light. It's a very light shoe, being that it's translucent and stuff. It's very light. Other things, the zoom unit feels great. It's a very comfortable shoe. Very comfortable shoe. You can go half size down. You can wear full size if you want, but that's like lower than I normally wear, a 9, because I usually wear like from a 9.5 to a 9, and that's a 9, and they fit a little baggy, so you can go down a little bit, and yeah, and comfortable. So that is my last thoughts on this shoe, man. I'm so happy to have this in the collection. So time to upload. Holla at you. Peace out.